Today, people shop online more than ever. Social media helps them find new products. People trust recommendations from others, especially from people they follow online. These people are called influencers. Influencers have a lot of followers. Their followers trust their opinions. When influencers recommend your product, people listen. This can lead to more sales for your business. Partnering with influencers is a powerful way to grow your business. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Influencer marketing is the modern version of this. By tapping into their audience, you reach new customers and boost brand visibility. Before you start reaching out to influencers, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with this partnership? Do you want to increase brand awareness or drive sales? Once you know your goals, think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What kind of influencers do they follow? Look for influencers who align with your brand values. It's crucial to partner with influencers who resonate with your target market. Their audience should find the influencer's recommendations relevant and trustworthy. Now that you have a list of potential influencers, it's time to reach out. Start by following them on social media. Engage with their content. When you're ready, send them a personalized email or direct message. Introduce yourself and your brand. Explain why you think a partnership would be beneficial. Be professional and respectful of their time. Clearly outline your proposal and what you are offering. This could be free products, payment, or a commission on sales. Section 4. Work together to create amazing content. Once you've found the right influencer, it's time to create some amazing content. This could be anything from sponsored posts to product reviews to giveaways. The key is to create content that is authentic and engaging. Your target audience should find it valuable and interesting. Don't forget to follow FTC guidelines and disclose the partnership. Transparency is key for building trust with the audience. When followers see an authentic partnership, they are more likely to consider the product or service being promoted. Section 5. Spread the word. Promote your collaboration. After creating great content, promote it. Share it on your own social media channels. Encourage the influencer to do the same. You can also consider running paid ads. The more people who see your content, the better. Use relevant hashtags and tag the influencer in your posts. This helps to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. Remember, consistency is key in social media marketing. Maintain regular communication with the influencer and keep the audience engaged. Section 6. Track, analyze, and build lasting relationships. After your campaign launches, track its performance. See how much engagement and reach your content received. Analyze the data to see what worked well and what could be improved. Use analytics tools to measure website traffic, sales conversions, and brand mentions. This valuable data helps you understand the ROI of your influencer marketing efforts. Building long-term relationships with influencers is beneficial. Nurture these relationships by staying in touch and exploring future collaborations. This leads to more authentic and impactful partnerships.